Crossroad number 38, to take vengeance or to trust in the Lord. We are on Friday of the 5th week of Lent, and we read from the book of the prophet Jeremiah. I hear the whisperings of many, terror on every side. Denounce, let us denounce him. All those who were my friends are on the watch for any misstep of mine. Perhaps he will be trapped, then we can prevail and take our vengeance on him. To take vengeance on another or to trust in the Lord. This is another crossroad that we face in our life. Should we take revenge? Should we get even? Or should we just entrust our life, our hurt, our plan, our cause to the Lord? Sinasabi ba natin sa ating mga sarili na lintik lang ang walang ganti at magpaplano ka ng iyong paghihiganti? O sasabihin mo sa sarili mo na ipagpasa Diyos na lang natin, paubaya na lang natin sa Panginoon kung ano man ang balik, kung ano man ang ganti sa kanila. Let the Lord be the one to take vengeance for us. Ito yung sitwasyon ni Jeremiah in our first reading today. Ang kanyang mga kaibigan mismo ang nagpaplano ng kanyang kasiraan. They were plotting their vengeance against Jeremiah. Imagine that, your friends plotting against you. But you can only entrust this to the Lord. Your struggle, your hurt and pain, you can only entrust this to the Lord because you cannot retaliate. The Lord does not want us to take revenge. Crossroad that is difficult, to be honest. Sa ating buhay po, napakahirap po na maging isang taong walang kibo, walang imik, lalo na pagka ang mga tao sa paligid natin ay pinaplano ang ating pagbagsak. No, we are not just talking about people outside of us or around us. We are talking about ourselves. And many times in our life, we would like to get even. Sabi nga, no, sa wikang English, we don't get mad, we get even. What is your attitude in life? Do you get even? Or you allow yourself to forgive? Or you allow people to be forgiven? Another difficult crossroad. And as we are about to end this Lenten journey of 40 crossroads, mahirap po na hindi mag-isip ng masama sa kapwa. Napaka-natural sa atin ng ginawa niyo ako ng masama, may araw din kayo. Hahanap ako ng pagkakataon, maipaghiganti ko rin ang aking sarili, maibabangon ko rin ang aking dangal na sinira ninyo. Lintik lang, walang ganti. Yan ang sinasabi natin sa ating mga sarili. Meanwhile, as you harbor these grudges and hatred in your heart, sino yung nasisira? Tayo din. Habang nagpaplano tayo ng masama laban sa iba, mas lalong hindi tayo nagiging maayos sa ating mga sarili at sa ating buhay. We are often distracted and we are often toxic. We develop toxicity when we harbor that desire to get even or to take revenge. The Lord invites you today, do not take vengeance, do not take that road of vengeance and revenge. Entrust your cause to the Lord.